pendulum squat?
So the pendulum squat's great because it targets your quads, your glutes, and your hamstrings while also engaging the core for stability. So this is obviously performed on a pendulum squat machine, gives us a greater range of motion rather than traditional squats, and it puts us in a safer place by having the load safely onto a machine setting rather than a barbell. When you're positioning yourself, make sure that you have your foot placement in a comfortable distance from the weight stack. Your feet should be directly underneath your knees throughout the movement. Engaging your core muscles to stabilize your spine. Maintain a neutral posture throughout the exercise. Also keep your chest up, shoulders back to avoid rounding your back during the movement. When gripping the handles, personal preference. As you can see here, Abner is holding onto the back of the machine, a little bit more comfortable for a bigger dude. Or you can comfortably put your hands up at the top and brace onto the handles. Think about driving your elbows together. So just really want to touch on maintaining control throughout the whole exercise. Obviously, we're coming down to a controlled position, stopping for a brief moment until we drive in our muscle all the way up and squeezing. As I'm doing this exercise, I personally like to think about pushing with the outsides of my feet. So driving through those outside soles of the feet on the way up keeps constant tension on the legs. Give this exercise a shot. Remember to do your breathing, inhaling down, exhaling up. Let us know what you think.